Welcome to Principles of Accounting 1. My name is Ms. Horn and I will be your instructor. First of all, I wanted to go over a few important items to get you started for the week. And the first item I wanted to cover was the home page. On the home page, you will find contact information. Here is my Google Voice number, and you can contact me via text, or you can click on the inbox over here and message me in Canvas. Here is your textbook. You can access it through Canvas by going up here and clicking on your bookshelf. Please take advantage of your textbook. Also, you have your access code. This will get you into my accounting lab. And then on down, you will find your weekly assignments. Each week I will post the week's assignments, and you can see these each week. They will stay on here. If you click on modules, this is where your important information for this course is. Everything that we do will be through course modules. So you see there's the online orientation module. You must complete this before you can move on. And then you will be able to access the important course information module. This module has a lot of information that you will use throughout the semester, and you can always refer back to it. Not only can you do that, but you can also click on this OOM review. It's really helpful. It goes over ebook information, how to check your debt grades, how to withdraw from a course. So this is a really good place to get even more resources. Once you complete the orientation module and do all of the requirements in the important course information module, you can then start on Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, you will see that we have a discussion board, and then you have a glance at Chapter 1. This is just kind of an introduction to the chapter. And then in each module, you'll see that you have all kinds of resources. Please take advantage of these resources. These learning objective videos, these are actually offered by the publisher. I strongly encourage you to watch each video. It will help a lot. And anything I provide in Canvas modules as far as resources, please take advantage of those. And also your assignments for this course will be in Canvas modules. As you notice, you can kind of scroll through and you can see due dates on things. So this is one way to see what's due for the week. And there will be more helpful videos throughout the semester, but I hope this helps you get started. Again, my name is Ms. Horn, and I look forward to getting to know each one of you. And if you have any questions, feel free to text or message.